Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Paint Bucket tool fills adjacent pixels that are similar in color value to the pixels that you select with either the selected foreground color or with the pattern. To use this tool, click the Paint Bucket tool in the toolbox. Then look in the Tool Options bar. At the left side of the Tool Options bar, you can select a button to set the type of fill to apply when using this tool. The fill defaults to using the foreground color fill. If you select the Pattern Fill button, then use the Pattern drop-down that appears to the right to select which pattern to use for the fill. Next, for either fill type, use the Opacity slider to set the transparency percentage for the fill. Then use the Tolerance slider to set a value from 0 to 255. A lower number will only fill colors in the image that are very similar in color to the pixels that you select in the image. A higher number will select a broader range of similarly colored pixels in the image. Use the Mode drop-down to select which blending mode you want to use for the fill. In the next section to the right, if the All Layers checkbox is checked, the fill will affect the color selected in all of the layers. If unchecked, it will fill pixels in the currently selected layer only. To ensure the fill you make has smoother curves versus jagged ones when applied, check the Anti-Aliasing checkbox. To select only pixels within the tolerance range specified that are adjacent to the pixels that you click, check the Contiguous checkbox. To then apply the fill, place your mouse pointer over the pixels within the image that are the color that you want to replace with your currently selected fill, and then click to apply the fill to those pixels.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.